Welcome to RS Knitting. Today, we are stepping into a world where crochet is no longer just a handmade craft. It becomes a statement of luxury, creativity, and extraordinary interior design. In this collection, you will discover beautifully styled crochet interiors filled with rich textures, elegant colors, intricate stitches, and handmade details. From breathtaking living spaces to peaceful bedrooms, inspiring reading corners, elegant dining rooms, and unique relaxation spaces. Every scene has been created to show just how beautifully crochet can transform an ordinary home into something truly special. So sit back, relax, and let's explore these stunning crochet home decor ideas together. Our first space welcomes us with an incredible combination of color, texture, and handmade craftsmanship. Look closely at the crochet details. Every cushion, every textile, every carefully placed piece adds another layer of personality to the room. What makes crochet so beautiful is its texture. Unlike ordinary printed fabric, handmade crochet carries the character of every individual stitch. Shell stitches, floral motifs, raised patterns, delicate borders, and beautifully connected loops create a surface that feels alive. And when these details are combined with elegant furniture and thoughtful interior styling, crochet becomes much more than decoration. It becomes part of the atmosphere. Here, the richness of handmade crochet becomes even more noticeable. The room feels warm, artistic, and wonderfully inviting. Notice how different crochet pieces can work together without looking identical. A textured cushion can complement a delicate lace design. A bold crochet rug can balance softer decorative pieces. And a simple handmade basket can add both beauty and practicality. This is the secret of creating a luxurious crochet interior. It is not about using the same pattern everywhere. It is about creating harmony through different textures, shapes, and carefully selected colors. Now, we enter a completely different mood. Soft, romantic, elegant, and peaceful. The crochet details in this bedroom create a beautiful handmade atmosphere. Imagine waking up surrounded by delicate floral motifs, soft cushions, textured blankets, and carefully crafted crochet pieces. A handmade crochet throw can instantly make a bed feel warmer and more inviting, and a beautifully designed crochet rug can completely change the character of a bedroom. The wonderful thing about crochet is that it can be delicate and luxurious at the same time. It can feel traditional, yet when styled beautifully, it can look completely modern. And now, here is a space made for slowing down. A beautiful reading corner where comfort meets creativity. The handmade crochet daybed immediately becomes the star of the room. Its rich texture creates a feeling of warmth and relaxation, surrounded with a few beautifully coordinated cushions, a soft crochet rug, a small table, and gentle natural light. And suddenly, an ordinary corner becomes a personal retreat. This is one of my favorite things about crochet. You don't always need to redesign an entire room. Sometimes, just one extraordinary handmade piece can completely transform a space. Next, we move into a bright botanical-inspired space. Here, crochet works beautifully with natural surroundings. The combination of handmade textiles, greenery, natural wood, and soft daylight creates a wonderfully peaceful atmosphere. Look at the window seat. Instead of being just a place to sit, it becomes a beautiful handmade feature. Different crochet cushions add different patterns and textures, while the large crochet rug connects the entire space together. This is a perfect example of how handmade decor can make a room feel personal rather than mass-produced. And now comes something truly special. A beautiful crochet lounge swing. This kind of statement piece can instantly become the focal point of a room or protected outdoor lounge. The combination of rich crochet texture, comfortable cushions, and beautiful colors creates a space that feels both luxurious and playful. Imagine sitting here with a cup of coffee, a good book in your hands, soft daylight around you, and handmade crochet surrounding you with warmth. Sometimes, the most memorable interior designs are created around one unforgettable. Now, let's bring warmth into the collection. A beautiful fireplace surrounded by luxurious handmade crochet details. The crochet mantle runner adds an artistic handmade touch without overwhelming the architecture. And that is an important idea when decorating with crochet. You don't have to cover everything. A carefully chosen statement piece can often have a much stronger visual impact than too many decorations. Here, the crochet details work together with stone, wood, soft furnishings, and warm lighting. The result is elegant, comfortable, and full of character. Scene 8. Luxury crochet dining room. And now we arrive at the dining room. One of the most beautiful places to introduce handmade crochet is the dining table. A carefully designed crochet table runner can instantly become the centerpiece of the entire room. Add matching placemats, small crochet coasters, beautiful chair cushions, and a soft crochet rug underneath. And suddenly, even an everyday dinner can feel like a special occasion. The beauty is in the details. Every stitch adds personality. Every handmade element tells a story. And together, they create a dining space that feels warm, elegant, and unforgettable. Final section, 8:40 to 9:35. Looking through these interiors, one thing becomes clear. Crochet is incredibly versatile. It can be romantic. It can be modern. It can be colorful. It can be sophisticated. It can feel cozy and traditional, or bold and luxurious, from cushions and blankets to rugs, baskets, curtains, lampshades, table runners, wall accents, and statement furniture textiles. There are so many possibilities. And the best part? Every handmade crochet piece carries something that mass-produced decor simply cannot replace. The beauty of craftsmanship. Outro. 9:35 to 10. Which of these crochet interiors was your favorite? Was it the luxurious bedroom, the peaceful reading corner, the beautiful window seat, the statement lounge swing, the cozy fireplace, or the elegant dining room? Tell us your favorite in the comments. And if you love beautiful crochet designs and creative home decor inspiration, make sure to subscribe to RS Knitting. We bring you new handmade crochet ideas, beautiful color combinations, and inspiring designs from around the world. Thank you for watching, and remember, every beautiful home begins with a creative stitch. See you in the next RS Knitting collection.